Hi guys, so this video is going to cover basic skills for basic 1, 2, and 3. Some off-ice exercises you can work on. So first we want to talk about basic position when we're skating. So we do a lot of ankle bending, okay? So you bend your ankles and your knees will bend. We do not want to bend at the hip. So ankle bend, knees will follow. Lots of ankle bending. Arms out, chin up. We always want to be looking up, chin up. We skate like this with ankle bend and nice posture in the back. So for swizzles, or some people call them bubbles, turn your feet out so that your toes are pointing in a V position. Now switch it so your toes are together like an A. So just do that a few times. V, A, V, A. So you're going to feel the twisting right here in your hips. And this is how you're going to make swizzles and bubbles. Lots of knee bend and action with the ankles and the knees. We're also going to practice balancing on one foot. So the important thing here is to bring your foot straight up. Both feet straight up. If you bring your foot out over here on the ice, you're going to tip over. You're going to have a hard time staying on that glide. So you always want to bring your foot straight up your leg. We're also going to do hops. So hands in front like you're leaning on the table that we do, and you're going to jump up. And I want you to jump off your toes. Make sure you go all the way to your toe and then land on your toe. And you can do that with a little turn too. But make sure you jump off your toe and land on your toe. We're also going to do 2-foot turns. So in the beginning they will be in place. And it's going to kind of look like this. See how my chest and shoulders and arms and face still face you while my feet turn that way? Now I'm going to turn my feet the other way. We're going to do this on the ice with a deep knee bend. Get tall, deep knee bend. Tall, deep knee bend. Tall, deep knee bend. We also have scooter pushes. So this is like if you're riding a scooter. So you're going to hold your handlebars, you're going to stand on one foot, and you're going to push out. Push out, push out. This knee is bent, and this one is doing the pushing. So this foot, even on the ice, never moves. It just stays still. You don't pick it up, you don't move it. You're just pushing with the other foot, like if you were riding your scooter at home. Okay? We also have, we'll get into like pivots. So pivots will have you on one toe pick and the other foot out. So we start in the L shape. So one foot this way, one foot that way, and you're gonna do your half bubble or half swizzle to get into a pivot. But what I want you to do now is just practice getting up on that toe and having the other foot out. Same with the other foot, up on the toe, other foot out. See how my foot is up on that toe, other foot out? Okay, and the other thing I want to talk about is lifting your pocket. So this is gonna come into play with spins, jumps, crossovers. So you're gonna stand, and I want you to take your pocket and pick it up. So this is gonna get you over this hip, the one that you're standing on, and your weight is gonna be more balanced. We're gonna do that with the other side. Grab your pocket and pick it up. So I don't know if you can see that, but my weight shifts onto this hip. And now my weight will shift onto this hip. This is going to come into play a lot in your future, so work on it off ice.